Good morning, traders. Welcome to this euro dollar and pound dollar video. My name is Chris from Elite Currency. Before we start, wanted to let you know that our ECS Live membership has a special offer, but it's only valid today and tomorrow, just before the summer starts. It is including extra ECS Live months and the Camarilla Indicator or the London Open Advanced System. More info about that in this link right here. It will be added to the description box below. All right, first with the euro dollar, it is moving higher at the moment, almost at 112.75 as we speak. So price not really able to break below that 112 too much, right? It hit 111.80ish and use that as a bouncing spot. We were expecting a bounce to the upside based on the wave patterns. We were looking at a potential wave 1-2, for instance. In any case, we thought that this was an ABC and we're expecting upside. Now, will price continue much higher? We don't know for sure, of course, but we are getting a break above the 21 EMA. And typically, for the moment, we're expecting at least price to retest these highs, if not break these highs. Let's take a look at the daily chart to get a little bit more context. The thing is that, it depends on your view, of course, long-term view a little bit here in this situation. For me, bigger downside is only likely if price breaks below 111 and closes below 111 on a daily chart. Otherwise, I'm seeing this upside right here as a potential break of the corrective pattern here, this swing. So we had a bullish swing to the upside here, then a bearish one. So I'm still expecting that bullish swing, as I already explained in previous videos. So from that perspective, I would expect price to go up to 115, for instance, and then move lower. But of course, that would change if price closes below 111. It hasn't done that yet. Price went down to 112-ish. But is now using that as a bouncing spot. So if my analysis is correct, price could go, for instance, up to 115. But for the moment, main target I would say is 114, and that's the kind of the intermediate target. If it breaks above that, then 115. Of course, on a lower time frame, price will first need to deal with even lower targets or lower resistance levels like 113. We'll have to see how price responds there. If it makes a flag like that, it will continue higher. Now, as the traders from ECS Live, who are currently members, already know, we are already in this to the upside. Of course, I have no idea if the setup will work out. The stats for SWAT, ecs.SWAT, the system that I'm using, are about 60 to 40 win rate, 60 win rate, 40 loss, with a 1.5 average reward to risk ratio. So, of course, this could be one of those losses. You never know, but we're already in this trade. Fingers crossed that it goes indeed to the target as planned. Otherwise, I don't think I have much to add. I mean, if you're not in that trade, I personally am, but of course, everyone has to decide for themselves. But I think that considering the 1 hour momentum, eventually some flag could happen. And price could go back to the 21 EMA, and that could be a bouncing spot, for instance. That is a pattern that would not surprise me for the moment on the euro dollar. Pound dollar is doing the same as the euro dollar, moving up. Now that is a little bit sooner than I expected, because I thought that one more lower low and a move down to 124.25-ish seemed likely. But we're not getting that. We're getting a close in reverse. Strong downside followed by strong upside. So that downside is over at the moment. And there are two scenarios. One, price is using this bottom as a bigger bouncing spot for a bigger bullish correction. This could be wave A. This could be wave B. And up we go for wave C. Within wave B, within blue B, we have an A, B, C here. So that could be one scenario. Two is this is still a wave 4, but of a higher degree. Why? Because of a higher degree? Because if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see that price went below or above the bottom of wave 1. So this cannot be a wave 4 of this degree. It cannot be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anymore. That's invalidated because of this strong upside. All right, so from this perspective, that's not possible anymore. And it looks like some wave 5 is finished, maybe like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's possible that there is a wave 4 of a higher degree. Let's take a look. For instance, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a wave 3, and up we go for a wave 4. So let's put a fib from here to here. And potential bouncing spot for the wave 4 is the 38, 23, 50. Now 50 has been broken, but it leaves these two fibs remaining. So if price makes an ABC's correction like this zone could still be used as a bouncing spot if this is a wave 4. Now, if price does break above the 50 fib, even the 38, then the wave 4 is becoming less likely, and that the scenario where we are looking at a bullish ABC or ABCDE, by the way, triangle like this, is becoming slightly and slowly more the favorite. All right. Now, of course, especially if it breaks the 50 fib, then that becomes the leading scenario. The 38, as long as price stays below the 38, though, this could be still a wave 4. Now, the aggressive push to the upside does not really fit within the wave 4. So that is, let's say, an advantage for that bigger ABC bounce idea or analysis. And let's take a look at the lower time frames to get a little bit more idea about this upside. It does look like 5 waves could have been completed. So if price does move lower like this at ABC, then that could be wave A, this could be wave B, and up we go for wave C of a bigger wave 4, for instance. All right. This could also still be an ABC, I guess. And then if it makes an ABC down and ABC up, a flat sideways correction like that also typically is a wave 4. So it's too early to tell about the pound dollar direction. I do think that there could be a bounce zone somewhere here or at 127.50 for a move down, but I don't expect it to make a lower low. I think that it will, find support somewhere around 126, 126.50. You can put a fib from here to here and expect the 50 to 61.8 fib to act as support. So this could be a bouncing spot just because the rally is so strong, right? But I don't expect the downtrend to continue. I think it's just going to be a correction, and then I do expect more upside to the 38 or 50 fib, which again in turn could be bouncing spots, right? All of these bouncing spots and breakouts is best, in my view. I will be looking for breakout and bouncing candlestick patterns to confirm my analysis. So, and of course the SWAT method that I use as well. All right, that's about it for now. More free analysis you can find at elitecurrency.com. Hope to see you soon on our website. Join our home of traders at our ECS Live membership with a unique offer with extra benefits here, extra advantages of joining now. We know the summer is typically slow, which is why we have this special, because we want to guide you through the summer. We want to help you also by giving an extension of your ECS Live membership so that you don't lose the membership time during the summer. That's why we're offering extra months, and we're offering proprietary tools and systems on top of that. So I think it's going to be interesting. If you like these videos, if you like what we're, how we tackle the markets, then I think you'll enjoy the ECS Live membership as well. So see you soon. If not, see you in the next video, hopefully then, and wish you all good trading. Cheers.